All right, guys, 2017 Audi A7. This one's the S-Line, but Quattro, but it's special. You know why? It's diesel. I haven't seen many diesels in Audi, so that's pretty cool. All right, here we go. Here's the first A7 diesel. And it's got a downpipe. He did a downpipe on it, as you guys can see. That goes all the way back to there. We didn't touch it. And then 2.5-inch pipe continues, and then it wides out. And we did a rear muffler delete on it for him there. And then finish it off nicely with some 5-inch chrome tips to complete the look. Natami 5-inch double-walled angle tips, stainless steel. Came out really clean, as you guys can see right there. A7 TDI. Look at that. Turbo diesel. Now, I haven't seen one of those in a while. I guess they're really famous in Europe, but not really here. And it had little pieces of pipe on it before. He cut the mufflers himself and just put these pipe on there. So we're like, no, man, you need a proper muffler delete. So that's what we done for him. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe for us. All right, guys, here we go. A7 turbo diesel muffler delete and downpipe. Again. Plumes of smoke, look at that. Here's sound decibels. We're at a 103, again. Sounds good though. I like it, you can hear the turbo spooling up. Go ahead and back it out. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number. And this is our beautiful shop. That's a beautiful sunny day. Audi A7 Turbo Diesel. That sounds really nice. Excuse me, guys. See, I am a human. I sneeze. It sounds so good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. So it's got a tune in it, and he said you gotta dump it to the floor. We're not gonna do it, but he wants to do it. So there you go. Some freaking gunshots, dude. Hell yeah. I love it. Show me what this thing can do. Go. Never expected an Audi to sound like that. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you so much for bringing it down. It's definitely different, you know? I'm glad it stopped raining too. Look at them 5-inch tips. They look perfect on this thing. It shows it's got something under the hood. It's got some oomph behind it. Wow. Let me know what you guys think. Beast mode out of an Audi A7 turbo diesel for them European folks in America.